Make workshop. I'm Megan.
And I'm Rachel, and we're collaborating artists at Tool Toy Project. Today we're creating artwork with the sunshine in your home. Circadian rhythms are physical, mental and behavioural changes that follow a 24-hour cycle. They are essentially your body's clock. These natural processes respond primarily to light and dark and affect most living things, including animals, plants and microbes. The light-dark cycle of the sun has a powerful effect on the circadian clock, which impacts sleep and alertness. A sun trap is a way of trapping the sunlight to play with the light that moves around your home and creates a spectacle which disappears and reappears. A sun trap is also a way of connecting with the sunlight, which is so important to our daily well-being. There are loads of ways to make a sun trap. Here are a couple of examples. Firstly, the Tapescape. You can build patterns and compositions out of tape on a sunny window. Direct sunlight will project your Tapescape onto a piece of paper. Drawing over these shadows can be a good way of designing and developing new patterns. As the sun moves across the sky, your Tapescape will move and stretch across the page. Household items can also be used to make a three-dimensional sun trap that is more sculptural. You can pause the video to take a moment to gather some sun trap materials. These things can be transparent, reflective, or objects that have holes in, like a colander or a cheese grater. From our kitchen, we're going to be using a colander, some chopsticks to connect things, 2 glasses of water, some plastic packaging, a glass jar, a glass bowl, and a piece of coloured perspex. Play around with the objects until you find an interesting composition which combines shadow and reflection. You can use the objects to support each other. There are endless ways of doing this. Place a piece of paper under your sun trap sculpture to draw around it. These drawings could be developed into characters or used as a way to practice your shading skills. It's really up to you. The sun trap is just the starting point. You can also make a sun trap that simply reflects the light onto the wall. As the earth moves around the sun, the reflection will move around the room. Mark on the wall where it moves to observe the passing of time. We hope you've enjoyed spending some time playing with the sun today, and you've learned some new ways of using light in your artwork. We'd love to see what you made, and you can post photos and videos on Instagram and Facebook using the hashtag TheBigMake2021.
Also, this is just one of 15 workshops, so go and check out one of the other videos and discover something creative.